Experiencing roaming problems with Ultramobile? Let's fix it. Roaming allows your phone to connect to a foreign network when you're outside Ultramobile's coverage. The most common issues are related to settings and compatibility. Ultramobile offers roaming coverage in many areas worldwide. Most common issues are related to settings like Enable Roam and APN, as well as device compatibility. We will start with the most important and simple steps first. Step 1. Enable roaming. Go to Settings, Network Roaming, and toggle on. Step 2. Configure APN settings. Set APN to wholesale or the host country's APN. Step 3. Check country compatibility. Use Ultramobile's compatibility checker to ensure your device works. This video will guide you through enabling roaming, configuring APN settings, and checking country compatibility to get you connected. First, enable roaming in your phone's settings. On Android, go to Settings, Network and Internet, Mobile Network, then Roaming. On iOS, go to Settings, Cellular Data Options, then Data Roaming. Next, check your APN settings. Ultramobile's default APN is wholesale, but for roaming, you may need the host country's APN. Use the Ultramobile app or an APN changer if needed. Finally, ensure your phone supports the necessary frequencies. Ultramobile devices usually work in most countries, but older models might struggle. Use a compatibility checker on Ultramobile's site or apps like GSMA Roam. Power cycling your device and reinserting the SIM card can also help. If issues persist, contact Ultramobile support.